Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moana in DTI, focusing on her distinctive features and style. First, choose a base avatar with a youthful, adventurous look, opting for a medium build. This provides the perfect canvas to build upon, ensuring her natural strength shines through. Consider a character with an inherently warm skin tone to start, simplifying later adjustments to get it just right. Next, let's create her unique attire. Look for a top that's a reddish-orange hue, perhaps with a subtle woven texture, and designed to be off the shoulder. For her skirt, aim for a light beige or cream color with a layered effect, perhaps featuring a base layer and a shorter, fringed overlay. These details are crucial for capturing her authentic islander style and adventurous spirit. Now for her distinctive hair and essential accessories. Choose a hair option with long, dark, wavy locks that cascade naturally, reflecting her connection to the ocean. The most vital accessory is her glowing turquoise necklace, representing the heart of Te Fiti. If possible, consider adding a small, vibrant flower, perhaps a red hibiscus, tucked behind one ear, which adds a beautiful, authentic touch to her overall look. To truly embody Moana, focus on her skin tone and facial expression. Aim for a warm, sun-kissed medium brown skin tone that looks natural and healthy. For her face, choose features that convey both a gentle warmth and an underlying sense of determination. Her eyes should be expressive, reflecting her bravery and compassionate spirit, which are central to her character. These details bring her personality to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.